Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take any shirt and cut the neck into a boat neck and then make it tie up at the back. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. You have this nice tie up in the back that makes it nice and tight around the waist, and then it's nice and loose up here. You can wear it off the shoulder or just leave it with your boat neck, just nice and loose like that. So you're going to take your shirt, and it can be short sleeve, long sleeve, whatever you want. Just lay it out nice and smooth with the collar facing you and the shoulder seams right at the very top. So when we're cutting a boat neck, you don't want to cut it too wide or it will fall off your shoulders. So I just stay about 1 finger from the collar and then stay nice and close when you're going down around the collar. So you'll go in with a good pair of fabric scissors, just like that. And when you're getting towards the center of the collar, you can actually just stop there. Perfect. And we're going to fold it over and use that to show us where to cut the rest of the way. Make sure the collar lines up with itself on this side, and then that will show you where to cut the rest of the way. Like that. So now we have our collar cut off like that, and you can stretch it up a bit and your fabric will curl up. Yeah. Now the next thing we're going to do is cut a slit up the back of the shirt. When you get it nice and smooth with the armpits out flat, you can then fold this up together, and that will show you where to cut up the center of the back. So now we can lay those back down and you have an idea of where to cut. So we'll go in with our fabric scissors, and you're going to cut up about a hand's width from the bottom. Now we will take these ends and pull them like that and then tie them together in a knot. Like this and like that. And now when we try it on, it's going to be tight around the center with our nice boat neck. So easy. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So now we have our nice boat neck, and you could wear it off the shoulder or just loose. And we have our nice tie up in the back, which makes it nice and tight around the waist and then loose everywhere else. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.